Today, we're diving deep into carrot cultivation. Let's start with seed purity. Carrots are cross-pollinated, mainly by honeybees. Because of this, and to prevent unwanted cross-pollination, you need an isolation distance of 1000 meters from other carrot varieties. This is crucial for maintaining the genetic integrity of your carrot crop and ensuring you get the desired characteristics in your harvest. A major challenge in carrot seed production is the contamination of seed crops by wild carrot pollen. This contamination leads to genetic deterioration, which means the quality of your carrot seeds can decline over time. This is especially a concern in areas where wild carrots are prevalent. Always be vigilant about roguing and maintaining that isolation distance we talked about to minimize this risk. There are two main methods for carrot seed production: seed to seed and root to seed. The seed to seed method involves sowing the crop according to the local climate. The plants stay in the field to flower and produce seeds. The root to seed method is similar to growing carrots for fresh roots, but the plants, called stecklings, are transplanted in the spring. Seed to seed gives you more seed yield, but root to seed gives you better quality seeds. For temperate carrot varieties in Himachal Pradesh, the optimal sowing time for the seed to seed method is in October and November. This allows the plants to establish before winter. The crop is then left in the field to flower and produce seeds in the following season. To improve germination rates, soak carrot seeds in water for 72 hours before sowing. Make sure to change the water every 24 hours. This process leaches off any germination inhibitors present in the seed coat, helping the seeds sprout more quickly and evenly. This simple step can significantly boost your crop establishment. In the root to seed method, you raise stecklings, which are later transplanted. Transplant the steckling rows 75 cm apart, with 30 cm between plants within the row. This spacing allows for adequate growth and air circulation. Stecklings can either be left in the ground over winter, or lifted in late autumn and stored until replanting in the spring, depending on your local conditions and customs. Roguing is an essential practice in carrot seed production, especially when using the root to seed method. Conduct a minimum of 3 field inspections. The first should be 20 to 30 days after sowing, the second when roots are lifted and replanted, and the third during the flowering stage. Remove any plants that don't meet your desired standards, based on root color, shape, skin color, flesh color, and bolting characteristics. Harvesting carrots for seed is a bit different. The crop matures unevenly, so you'll likely need 2 or 3 pickings. Harvest the seeds when the secondary umbels, or heads, are fully mature and brown, and the tertiary umbels are beginning to turn brown. After drying, thresh the seed heads, clean them, and rub them by hand to remove the bristles. Aim for a seed moisture content of 8%. Pusa Kesar is a popular improved Asiatic carrot variety. It has reduced foliage and deep red-colored roots with a narrow central core. It's also rich in carotene, containing 30 mg per 100 grams of edible portion. Pusa Kesar can stay in the field for about a month longer than other varieties without bolting. It matures in 80 to 90 days and can yield around 120 quintals per acre. Nantes is a European-type carrot known for its stump root shape, about 13 to 15 centimeters long. The skin, flesh, and core are all orange. The roots are smooth and attractive, and they mature in 90 to 100 days after planting. For Nantes carrots, the suitable sowing window is from mid-October to early December. Expect an average yield of around 48 quintals per acre. Root rot can be a significant problem in transplanted carrot crops grown using the root to seed method. To minimize the risk of root rot, it's recommended to plant the roots without cutting them. This helps to prevent the entry of pathogens into the root tissue. Also, splitting or cracking of roots is a major problem in carrot cultivation. While it can be a genetic trait, other factors also contribute. Excess nitrogen and untimely application of nitrogen fertilizer can promote cracking. Avoid over-fertilizing with nitrogen, and make sure to apply it at the right time to minimize this issue. Cavity spot is another physiological disorder caused by calcium deficiency induced by excess potassium. Let's wrap up with some key numbers. Aim for a minimum seed germination rate of 60%. Dry your seeds to a maximum moisture content of 8% for normal containers, or 7% for vapor-proof containers. For seed production, expect a yield of 500 to 600 kilograms per hectare. For variety and hybrid seeds, pure seed should be a minimum of 95%, with maximum inert matter of 5%. You want no more than 5 other crop seeds per kilogram for foundation seed, and 10 per kilogram for certified seed.